Hey babes, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today I have a really fun video for you guys. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I'm going to be picking up from the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty sale and just sharing with you guys what Ulta has to offer that I think is actually a really good deal. So if you guys are interested, please go ahead and continue watching and make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell button to turn on notifications so you get notified every single time I upload. And follow me on Instagram at Reesiibabe. So now that you've done all that, let's get right into the video. So if you guys don't know, Ulta has this sale 21 Days of Beauty that happens twice a year. Once I believe in like April-ish and then once in September. So the beginning of summer and then the ending of summer for the most part, beginning of fall. So you get 50% off the must-haves. So on September 1st, I'll put it up here, the Peter Thomas Roth Firm X 360 Eye Renewal is going to be half off and the price will be $37.50, and then the Retinol Fusion PM Eye Cream is now $27.50. I personally have not used any of those products before, but now is a great time if you guys are looking and in the market for something that is really good and firming for under the eyes. If you guys are looking more into anti-aging products, Peter Thomas Roth, I know for a fact, is such a great brand. I don't doubt that these products will be amazing as well. The next thing that's happening on September 1st is the Benefits Professional Primer. That's going to be going on sale. That is originally $32 to $52. There are two different sizes that they are offering. Now they're going to be either $16 or $27 depending on the size that you do get. I don't mind this primer. People are like diehard fans and there's some people that don't really mind. I'm one of those people that don't really like, I'm not really like, oh my god, this primer! I'm not. I am like that for other primers, but this one I'm not. But it's all up to you. If you are in the market for a new primer that helps to fill in pores and helps to just smooth out the skin, this would be a really great one for you guys to try out. So on September 2nd, there's the Ofra Single Pan Highlighters. Those highlighters are bomb. I do have, I believe, Rodeo Drive. And I have one that has 3 colors in them and I love them. The highlighters are super duper pigmented, super glowy on the skin. I really enjoy them. So you guys are able to get those two, and those are for $14.50, which is a steal because it's originally like $29. So for sure, if you guys are highlighter lovers like myself, totally pick those up. Next up, we have September 3rd. So this is an exciting day because this is the first day that I'm actually going to be purchasing something. I'm going to be purchasing the Becca Hydra-Mist and Set Setting Powder. I love this powder so much. It is so good. As you take your brush and you dip it into the powder and then you dust it off and then you put it all over your face, it's literally, it feels like a mist. And I don't know how it works. It just is super duper cooling, super hydrating. So I'm really excited. They are originally $39 and they're going to be on sale for $19.50, which is a steal. I'm definitely buying 2, another one for myself and then another one for my kit. So I'm really excited about that because I personally feel like after you've done everything and then just setting your makeup with that, it literally gives you this flawless airbrush finish that looks amazing. So I love that. The next thing that is on sale on that day is the Mario Badescu Rose Hip Nourishing Oil. It's originally $22 and you're getting it for $11, which is really good. Rose Hip is super duper good for really making your skin bright and hydrated, and it just looks really nice and plump. So for sure, Rose Hip Oil is the way to go. On September 4th, there is the Skin Iceland Hydro Cool Firming Eye Gels. There's a 4 count and an 8 count. These, I believe, are just the little gel patches underneath. I actually really enjoy those. It's not, the ones that I really like are from Wonder Beauty. They're not from this brand, but this brand looks super duper legit. I mean, anything that has to do with Iceland and skincare, I'm all about because they have amazing spas over there. So I'm totally with the Icelandic skincare. So those are actually now $8.75 $15 and $16 for the 4 count and the 8 count. And then on the same day, the Bare Minerals concealers are on sale as well. There is the liquid one and then the cream one. They're $10 and $12 now. September 5th is another day that I'm going to be partaking in. There is the Tarteist Double Take eyeliner, which is now $12. It's originally $24, of course. And I really like Tarte eyeliners. I think they're really good. I'm definitely a fan of them, and I like that this one is a double, so it's easy if you are going traveling. You can for sure have like your kohl liner and then your liquid liner in one place, and it's super easy and compact, so I really like that. The next things on the 5th are the MAC lipstick in Diva or Cream in Your Coffee. Those two colors are gorgeous, super duper fall vibes. Pick yourself up some of those. Those are $9.25 each as opposed to $18.50. All right, so then September 6th is another day that I will be partaking in. I talk about this mascara all the time. This is the Lancôme Monsieur Big Mascara. I adore this mascara so much. It is so good. It really does give you a lot of length and a lot of volume in your lashes. I literally, anytime I wear this, people think I'm wearing falsies with just my regular lashes, and it just is amazing. I would for sure recommend getting this. It's $12.50, you guys. I'm totally picking one up for myself. I kind of wish you can just pick anything from like this whole, like, I hate that you have to do separate orders or you have to like go to Ulta every single day. I just want to make one big giant order. It's such a struggle. September 7th, there is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. These are now $11.50 each as opposed to $23. I believe it is the, I don't think, no, the Brow Wiz is different. The Brow Definer is the thicker one. The Brow Wiz is the skinny pencil. But I personally like the Brow Definer, especially if you already have thick brows like myself. The Brow Definer is actually a lot quicker than the little Brow Wiz because it covers more surface area. So I actually really like the Brow Definer if you have very thick eyebrows already. The next thing is the Dermalogica Skin Smoothing Cream. That is now $34.50 as opposed to $69, which is hella good. And then of course the Skin Bar at Ulta Beauty, you can get $10 off a Dermalogica facial. So if you guys are with a Dermalogica purchase, so if you guys are needing a facial, now is a good time to stop in because you get $10 off. And Dermalogica is a great brand as well. I love their stuff. So September 8th, there is the Too Faced Natural Face and Eye Palettes that are going on sale. These ones are really good. I actually have the natural palette and I really love it, especially if you're somebody that's not really into makeup. You're just kind of sort of like, I guess I'm gonna play with makeup today. Or if you guys work in a hospital or if you guys work in an office where you don't need anything too crazy going on your face, but you still want to look a little bit put together, the natural palette from Too Faced is super duper good. And you can definitely turn it into like a nighttime look if you do want to go out, but it's really great for just every day. So I really like that palette, and that is gonna be now, I believe, $19 or $22 depending on which one you get. The next thing on the 8th is the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer Super Light or the Super Redness Primer. I kind of wish they had their Radiance Primer on sale. That's a really good primer to get, especially if you guys wear a lot of makeup, or even if you're not wearing any makeup at all, just putting that primer on, it gives your skin such a great glow. I really like that. On September 9th, the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Setting Powder is on sale for $17. I've never tried that one, but that actually looks really good. I might actually pick that up just to give it a try, just because it's super affordable right now. On September 10th, the Too Faced Tutti Frutti palettes are on sale for $17. That's super good. I've not tried them out as yet, but they actually look really pretty, so we'll see. On September 10th, the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage is on sale. That is now $11 to $21 depending on which one you get. I kind of wish they had the Pores No More vacuum cleaner one. That one is super duper good, but the No More Baggages are really good for underneath the eyes. September 11th is another day that I will be partaking in. This is the Buxom Plumpline Lip Liners. These lip liners are amazing. I love them. I love them for just all over my lip. I don't just use them as lip liners. I use them literally all over my lip because they're like jumbo pencils and they're so good. I really like them. They're $9 each. They're originally $18 and I'm so excited for that. That is so cool. September 12th, the Tarte Light Camera Lashes Mascara is going to be on sale. I actually don't really like this mascara at all. I just don't like it. But it is $11.50. If you guys are looking for a mascara, just pick it up on the 6th when Lancôme has their sale. So September 12th also will have Badescu Cleansers on sale. They are now $7 to $8. They have the glycolic foaming cleanser and then the enzyme cleansing gel. I think I'm for sure gonna pick up the enzyme cleansing gel. I really like enzymes because like enzyme anything like pumpkin masks or, you know, gels, cleansers, whatever it is, because enzymes really help turning over your skin cells. Enzymes are amazing at, so I'm really into that. I'll definitely be picking those up. On September 13th, the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush and Highlighters will be on sale. They're on sale for $14.50. I'm personally not a fan, like that much of a fan of Tarte. I think their products are not that bad, but they are not very pigmented, at least to me. I don't know. Some of their blushes are, for sure. Like some of the color wheels are really good, but their individual blushes I'm like kind of iffy about. And then the Clairsonic Cleansing Brush Heads are now on sale, $13.50 to $16 depending on which one. I have a Clairsonic and I actually really like it. I don't use it as much anymore. I've just been using these bad boys. But if you guys have one, now's a great chance to get your cleansing brushes and re-up. You're supposed to change your brushes every 3 months, you guys. So September 14th is actually a super duper exciting day because the Kylie Cosmetics Matte and Velvet Lip Kits are going on sale. They are now going to be $13.50 to $14.50. I'm for sure picking up a couple of colors that I've been wanting to try, and especially one of the colors that I absolutely adore is Boss, and I'm so excited to pick that one up for $14. Like, yes girl. It Cosmetics Bye Bye Foundation is now going to be on sale. I'm okay with the Bye Bye Foundation. I'm not like loving it. I feel like it really transfers. Philosophy All Night Creams are on sale. It goes from $24.50 to $40. Their night creams are really good. Philosophy is a very, very, very good brand. I really, really enjoyed their Renewed Hope moisturizers. I really enjoy them. So I would for sure recommend getting one of those if you guys would like to get a nude like night cream. Benefit Cosmetics free brow wax. That's a great deal. If you guys are close by in Ulta, definitely stop by for a free brow wax. It's originally $22 and you're getting it for free. Yes, girl. September 15th, the Tarte Tartelette 2 in Bloom Clay Eyeshadow Palette is on sale. That's actually a really pretty palette. I don't know if I have that palette. I think I have one of them. But I really like those shadows. Those shadows are super duper good. I don't always like Tarte products, but the Tartelette in Bloom is actually one of my favorite palettes. The Too Faced Hangover Primer and Hangover Prep Spray is on sale for $16 to $17. I'm really excited about that because I love the Hangover Spray, the makeup setting spray. I adore it. I think it's so good. And then especially if you are very dry, and dehydrated, the RX Primer is super duper good. So I really like that. So on September 16th, It Cosmetics the It brushes for Ulta are on sale. The Volux Luxe brushes, those are now $12 to $24 and they look pretty good, so we'll see if I pick that up. I'm not sure. The Strivectin Wrinkle Recode Line Transforming Melting Serum is on sale for $44.50 from Strivectin. I know that's a super duper expensive brand, anti-aging brand. I know quite a lot of people that like to use that. So that's actually really good. That's a really great deal. September 17th, the Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder in Light or Deep is on sale. I guess it's just the 2 colors. I think I have used that before. I think that was one of my favorites before. I'm not exactly sure. But I do know I really like Cover FX, and those powders are super duper good. And of course, just a nice setting powder is always necessary, so I really like that. If I had to choose between the Becca one and the Cover FX one, I would choose the Becca one if you are kind of dry and if you want like a nice airbrush finish. But I feel like the Cover FX will give you a really good coverage if you want. So I would check out either one of those. Coming to an end on September 18th, Pure Lashes and mascaras are on sale. They are either $4 to $11. So then the First Aid Beauty Pure Skin Face Cleanser is on sale. That is on sale. Wow, that's on sale for $10. That's awesome. It's originally $21. And then the Lancôme Visionnaire Skin Solutions. I believe this is the eye cream. I'm not sure if it's the eye gel or not. That is on sale for $32.50 and $37.50. So that's awesome if you guys are looking for more anti-aging products and cleansers. September 19th, the Dose of Colors Matte Liquid Lipstick is on sale. They are on sale for $9. And the Origins Travel and Trial Kit is now $14.75. That actually has a bunch of really awesome products inside. So I would definitely recommend that if you guys travel a lot, don't have weekend trips or anything like that. I think that would be a really great little kit to have. September 20th, the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer is on sale. I actually really enjoyed that concealer. So I would for sure recommend that if you guys are looking for a very full coverage concealer. I really like that one. And then the Clinique Moisture Surge is on sale for $10. What? That's crazy. I love the Clinique Moisture Surge moisturizer. If you guys are dry, if you guys are dehydrated, we're going into the winter months. The Moisture Surge is definitely a must if you need a day cream. It's super duper lightweight and very, very, very hydrating. So I'd for sure recommend that one. And then the last day, hopefully I can get this without my camera dying. The Urban Decay 24/7 eye pencils are now $11 each. I adore the Urban Decay Perversion pencil. They're very pigmented, they're very dark. Well, the black one is. So I'm excited to see what other colors they have and pick out a couple. Also on sale is the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil, which is $12. That's going to be awesome. And then the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Serum and Moisturizer, which is going to be $35 or $40 depending on which one you get. That is literally everything. At the end of the sale, I will for sure be doing a little Ulta haul and sharing with you guys all of the things that I did pick up. And I'm super duper excited for this sale. I love Ulta. I love their reward systems. I personally find it better than any other retailer that I will not mention. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you like videos like this where I kind of talk about a sale before it actually happens, and then I come back and I share with you guys, you know, the things that I got. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are on these videos. Is it too long? Do you not care? Do you just want to know about like what I want? Let me know. Alright guys, please make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel right here and follow me on Instagram at Reesiibabe, and I will chat with you guys later. See ya.